Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play mini air hockey. First, find a flat, stable surface for your table. Make sure the air vents are completely clear so the puck glides smoothly across the playing field. Each player gets one striker and the goal is simple: hit the puck into your opponent's net. This quick setup ensures a fair and exciting game for everyone involved, setting the stage for some fast-paced action. Now, let's cover the basic rules to keep the game fair and fun. Generally, the first player to score 7 points is declared the winner. Remember, you can only hit the puck when it's on your side of the center line, no reaching over. Also, each player is limited to using just one striker throughout the entire match. These simple guidelines ensure a balanced and enjoyable experience for both competitors. Ready to elevate your game? Try using the edges of your striker to create tricky angled shots that can surprise your opponent. Develop quick, controlled wrist movements for both powerful offensive strikes and precise defensive blocks. When defending, always keep your striker centered in front of your goal, moving it side to block incoming pucks. Mastering these techniques will give you a significant advantage on the table. Finally, remember that mini air hockey is all about having fun and enjoying friendly competition. Always show good sportsmanship and respect your opponent, regardless of the score. It's crucial to keep your striker on the table surface at all times, no lifting or scooping the puck. Focus on improving your skills with every game, and most importantly, have a fantastic time playing this exciting game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.